Hi, it's Dalton at Black Label with a quick introduction to our updated integrated bipod for the AR15 and AR10. The objective of the update was to maximize gas block clearance for larger adjustable gas blocks at rifle length, mid-length, carbine length. The bipod mechanism is all new. Legs are still held by a magnet when stowed, but they're now attached to a cradle which still has cant, but the pan function has been removed to maximize gas system clearance. Tension for cant is on this tension wheel, which is much easier to reach when you're behind the rifle. Legs are still push button extendable for length, carbon fiber inner leg, and of course the bipod stows flush. We also updated the barrel nut and barrel nut clamp with an anti-walk feature, and we've added anti-rotation fork to the top, which is removable if it interferes with your upper receiver. We offer a 15.5 inch, 14 inch, and a 17 inch version. The bipod is in the same location. We just add one additional M-lock slot for the longer lengths.